How to change the filter on your Suprema filtered boiling water system. The filter light will flash on the tap decal when a change of filter cartridge is required. Open the filter door and place a towel to absorb any water spillage. Turn the filter valve to the right to turn off the water supply to the cartridge. Turn on the tap and let the remaining ambient water to dispense. If the ambient water flow does not stop, please check that you have turned off the filter valve. Remove the filter cartridge by rotating towards the left until it unlocks, then ease it downwards. It is normal for some water spillage at this point. Discard the old filter cartridge. On the new filter cartridge, write down today's date in the space provided. Remove the black cap and avoid touching the filter O-rings, as this can lead to bacteria contamination. Position the filter cartridge tab towards the front and align with the slots of the filter bracket, then slide upwards and twist towards the right until it locks into place. Turn the filter valve to the left. Water will start to dispense into the filter cartridge. Close the filter door. To commission the filter, turn on the tap to ambient and dispense 5 litres of water. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Then turn the handle back to the centre off position. On the control panel, select the filter icon to enter the settings screen. Select Reset Filter. Then Confirm. Then return to main. The filter light on the tap decal should now be off and not flashing. Your drinking water tap is now ready to use.